What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I wash my wigs, and for this one in particular I'm going to be showing you how I applied it and how I also styled it in this loose wave style. So if you're interested in seeing that, go ahead and keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, you guys, so here's the hair that I'm using. It came pre-colored. This is AsteriaHair, and it's their ombre colored hair. And I made this wig myself. They sent me bundles and a frontal, and yeah. So here's the shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to be using for this hair. It's Tresemme Breakage Defense. This is what I use on my natural hair. If it was curly hair that I'm going to be washing, I would use a completely different routine, but since this is close to straight hair, I'm going to be using this. So first thing I'm going to do is just saturate my hair, get it all wet, make sure the whole unit is wet, and then after that I'm going to get the shampoo and just lather it with the shampoo and just make sure I get a really good scrub throughout the whole entire hair. Since this is the first time I'm washing the hair from taking it out of the packaging, you want to make sure that you clean it really well, because you don't know what things are on the hair during, you know, processing and all that stuff. So you want to make sure that you get a good lather, and yeah, so clean the hair very well. I also want to mention that AsteriaHair is having a Black Friday sale, so in 2 days their hair is going to be up to 53% off on their website. All the information is going to be down below, so yeah, if you want to take advantage of that, I highly recommend you do. Also, I did notice that there was a little bit of color coming off of the wig. Nothing crazy, just a little bit of tint of brown in the sink, but yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know that. Alright, so after you've rinsed out all of the shampoo from the hair, you want to make sure that you use a good amount of conditioner. As you can see, I used a hefty amount of conditioner. So you want to make sure that you cover all of the hair, even up to the frontal, because you don't want any of this hair going unconditioned. And then I'm going to have this hair sit in the conditioner for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and rinse it out. So after rinsing out all the conditioner, you're going to want to take out as much excess water as you can, because even though you think you take out all of the water or most of the water, when you let the wig air dry and you put it on your wig head, water is going to drip on the floor. So I usually lay a towel underneath it while it's drying, because water will get on your floor if you don't do that. So I use a towel and I just scrunch it and try to take out as much water as I can. And now I'm brushing the hair with a wide tooth comb. It doesn't have any product in it because I wasn't sure how I was going to style it. So I just wanted it to air dry with no product and just let it dry in its natural state. So after I'm done combing out the hair, I just scrunch it just so I can bring the waves back to life a little bit, just to help the curl pattern or the wave pattern come back into the hair. So this is how the wig looks in its natural state after washing and air drying it. Again, this is a body wave texture, and this is how it looks after it dries. I didn't put any product in it because I wasn't sure how I was gonna style it, but yeah, so I'm just gonna, I still need to cut the lace off of it and all that. So let me just throw it on real quick. Mom. Yes. Alright, so I already cut off the lace from around the ear so it fits around my ear, as you can see. So I still need to cut off the lace that's around my hairline, obviously. But this is what it's looking like. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like. The color and all that. I really like the blonde or the lighter because I've never done any lighter hair before. I've always had really dark hair, like my whole life I've always had dark hair. So before well, I'm not gonna dye my real hair because I know that's like really damaging to hair. So that's why I wanted to try out a wig that was lighter. Plus this is just way fuller than the hair that I have. So anyways, so I'm gonna go and cut the lace real quick. My mirror's over here, so I'm just gonna cut that part out. All right, so all the lace is cut off from around the hairline, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of the Got To Be blasting spray to lay it down. I'm not gonna use too much because I don't want it to be stuck there for, you know, days and days. All right, so I'm gonna just pull this back a little bit and spray the freezing spray around my edges real quick. One thing that would help you a lot is having hair dryer, which I don't have. So it's gonna take me a little bit longer for it to dry around here, but I'm gonna speed through that part anyway, so you guys aren't even gonna sit through it. I put a little bit of the spray around my hairline right here, and I'm kind of scared that it's gonna lift the wig cap because that's what I use to lay it down. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it dry for like a little bit and then bring my wig forward. This is when a hair dryer would come in handy, but I didn't have one. Okay, so this is already dry, so I'm gonna have to put a little bit more. I let it dry too much. All right, so I'm gonna bring it forward and then use a rat tail comb to just push it down. So the mistake I made was I let it dry too much. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the two sides. I'm gonna do this side first. There's a little piece of wig cap sticking out right there, but I can always cut that off afterwards. And then right here, some is lifting, so I'm gonna go back and put the spray there. And the lace is a little bit dark for my skin tone, as you can see. It's not all the way transparent, but it's okay. Alright, I'm gonna go do the side. Alright, so I put the spray all around the hairline. This is what it's looking like. It's pretty laid down. So next I'm gonna get some baby hairs, but I'm not gonna slick down any baby hairs. I'm just gonna cut some. I just feel like it looks more natural without like slick down baby hairs. Sometimes it'll help the lace hide, but I don't think I'm gonna do it with this one. This is like a flowy, beachy, effortless kind of look. So I'm just gonna cut the baby hairs and then have them just hanging around my face. So there's a little section right there. I'm just gonna cut them, not too short, but just like that. Because that's literally how my baby hairs look, just like that. And then the sideburns, I'm gonna do the same thing. And my natural sideburns are pretty long. They come down to like here. So I'm just gonna kind of mimic those. Like this looks like my natural sideburn. I'm gonna part it right here, kind of like a deep side part. All right, so here's the part right here, and I'm just gonna use my straightener just to flatten it a little bit, like this. I'm gonna put some loose waves with the straightener in my hair, and I'm gonna use this as a heat protectant, flat iron perfector. And since this is bleached hair, the ends are more prone to getting dried out, so you definitely want to use this on color treated hair. Right now I have a side part and we'll see how it looks when all of the hair is curled. So this is how I'm curling it. And I'm just gonna speed through the rest of my hair because I know my camera's gonna die again. So this is what I'm gonna do to my whole head. Alright, so this is about half of my hair curled. So I still have a whole section. Alright you guys, so this is the hair all curled. And now I'm gonna just run my fingers through it because they're just too defined for me. And what I can say is that the ends are pretty dry, even when I used the straightening, what is it? The straightening mist stuff. Yeah, maybe this is just how blonde hair is, but this one isn't even the lightest of the blonde that I've seen. So, but this is what it's looking like. It looks so different compared to its natural state. See, like when I'm trying to run my fingers through it, it's like getting super tangled. Like I said, maybe that's just because it's lighter and it's color treated. So just running my fingers through the curls. It's looking really pretty. It's making me like light hair on myself. It looks so pretty. I made a wig out of it with 2 bundles and the frontal. And with only 2 bundles, this is a lot of hair. Like, it's very full. I couldn't really fit 3 bundles onto here, but I think that would have been way too full and way too bulky anyways. I'm really liking the light hair. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do to style this hair. I used a 24-inch bundle and a 22-inch bundle to make this wig, and I think the frontal is 20 inches. I was going for the effortless, beachy looking hair anyway, so that's why I'm not too worried about all the little flyaways, whatever. It doesn't bother me. I'm used to it with my natural hair anyways. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like it? This is just so pretty. So yeah, all the information for this hair will be down below in the description box, like always. Alright guys, so that's about it I have for you for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see from me next.